Hi everyone, my name's Tiffany Gill. I'm a physiotherapist by training. I'm currently working as a musculoskeletal epidemiologist across the RA-SAMRI AHMS precinct. My job is to talk to you as part of this research lecture about the population-based research that we have available to us in the area of musculoskeletal health. We have access to a large cohort study, the Northwest Adelaide Health Study. It has had 3 phases of data collection, which has involved a clinic, self-complete questionnaire and telephone survey. That's 1999, 2003, 2004 to 6 and 2008 to 10. We also had a postal survey that we did in 2015, and we're hoping at some stage in 2020 we will be able to do another one. It's an epidemiological longitudinal study, but we have had sub-studies which have involved some clinical measurements. The musculoskeletal data is related to joint pain in the foot, hip, knee, back, shoulder and hand. We also have doctor-diagnosed osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis and gout. We also have linkages to the MBS and the PBS and the state-based hospital data, which is the emergency department and the hospital admission data. We have demographics, age, sex, income, education, work status, etc. There are also a wide range of other covariates, cardiac conditions, asthma, diabetes, mental health, among chronic conditions, risk factors like smoking, alcohol, body mass index, blood pressure, cholesterol, physical activity and nutrition. We also have biomedical measurements, blood and urine. So we've done some population-based sub-studies, as I've suggested. And recently, one of the ones that we've just had to complete because of the COVID-19 is a sleep study. That was an in-home sleep study with participants. But we were also measuring physical activity using the Denny Active accelerometers. So we have objective measures of activity for the first time amongst the cohort. So we combine that with the home sleep tests and the questionnaires and blood tests that were also done, and we should have some interesting data. So a few of the examples of the areas that we've published in and also our collaborations, and this one in particular is a collaboration with La Trobe University and UniSA researchers. We've looked at foot pain in stage 2, which was 2004-6, and stage 3, 2008-10. We found that the prevalence in stage 2 was 14.9 and stage 3 was 29.9%. So you can see how much it's gone up over that period of time. We also looked at those with the highest risk of reporting foot pain in 2008-10, and they were the people with depressive symptoms, self-reported arthritis, high BMI, self-reported upper limb pain and foot pain in 2004-6. Gout is another area that we've done some work in. The overall prevalence of gout amongst the cohorts is 5.2%. Males were significantly more likely to have gout than females. There was also a prevalence of hyperuricemia of 16.6%, with males again identified as a significant risk factor. And then both gout and hyperuricemia were associated with being male, body mass index and renal disease after multivariable adjustment. Shoulder pain has been another area of interest that we've published in. We collected data on shoulder pain in stage 2 and stage 3. So we looked at those that reported shoulder pain in 2004-6 and then in 2008-10. So you can see that 14.6% said they didn't have shoulder pain in stage 2 and reported shoulder pain in stage 3. 8.8% reported recurrent shoulder pain, that is pain at the 2 time points, and 8.7% had shoulder pain that was present in 2004-6 and then had gone in 2008-10. And then we had a look at the characteristics associated with each of those. Incident shoulder pain was significantly associated with physically heavier occupational activities and pain in other joints after we adjusted for age, sex and body mass index. Recurrent shoulder pain was associated with pain with other joints but also depressive symptoms, smoking and decreased shoulder range of movement. And the resolved shoulder pain was associated with being female, other areas of pain and decreased shoulder range of movement, but it was also associated with higher grip strength. So you can see there's quite a range of data and quite a range of information that we can use to gain a picture of the population in terms of musculoskeletal health. So if you're interested in looking at any of those at some stage during your research career, that data is available and we can obviously have a bit of a discussion about how you might like to use it.